Hi, everybody. So this video is to show everybody how to access archived IEPs, but also access all the promoted IEPs for the 25-26 year and years going forward. So first things first, we log into RISE. We're in our home page, and we're going to head over to the IEP page here. And you can see right now that the school year I have listed is 24-25, and you can see that the status says archived. So obviously these are last year's IEPs, and we're not able to edit them. So what we're going to do to change that, super easy. We're going to click on Advanced here, and we're going to uncheck the Include Inactive Archived Records. And we're going to hit search again. And now you can see that the school year has been updated to 25-26, and the status is pending. And pending means that it's able to be edited and reviewed for the coming school year. So very easy to do. Just on another note too, another way you can do this is if you just want to click on the correct year, but it's as easy as just unchecking this one as well. Now, to find the archived IEPs, again, you would just include inactive archived records here, and you can hit search, and you'll have access to last year's IEP. For all the years prior to the 24-25 school year, it is going to be a little bit different because we had to import those as PDF files rather than as a usable document or a viewable document in RISE. So it is going to be in a different place. So again, that's for the 5 years prior to the 24-25 school year. You are going to have to look in a different place. But if you're just looking at last year's, you can look through the method I just showed you. So if I go into this one and I head down to the Documents tab, you'll see here that there is a PDF file. So currently, and as of recording this video, which is late August 2025, there is only one PDF file listed. However, that will be changing as of being the first week of school for 2025. And there will be more PDF files listed here with prior years IEPs. So you just head into the 24-25 archived IEP, then to the Documents tab, and that's where you will find all of those other previous IEPs.